Morning, Tay. Are you ready to go to Hawaii?
I'm so ready.
We're at the airport. We're so excited. We're going to Hawaii. It is literally 6, 7, 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours. I don't know how Taylor packed in that. I have like a big giant suitcase. My mom has 2 suitcases.
Wandering away, heading for the water. It's one more year today.
So if the 21 days of winter, you're gonna slide in.
We're at the gate. We're waiting. We're supposed to board right now. We're going to Hawaii. Welcome aboard. That means we're boarding a ship.
I know.
It's weird.
Like a spaceship.
Visualize again as I sit here, sitting all alone on the same place you kept telling me I was the one. And all these letters, everything we knew.
We are all movied out. We watched 2 movies. And we started our HGTV episode. We never got to finish it because we're descending into Hawaii.
Welcome you here to the island of Kauai. It's 1:42.
This is so crazy. Thank you very much. Doug, how does it feel to be back in Hawaii? Moist, yeah, that's pretty accurate. Okay, we got all of our baggage and everything. We are surrounded by beauty. This beauty right here, Taylor Wann. And we're gonna go get our rental car. Taylor was not expecting the chickens. Literally all over. Yeah. Oh my god. Are you scared of a chicken? You don't know what they're capable of. Oh my god. What's up? Welcome to our rent-a-car. Here with Taylor Wann. Are you guys ready for a full tour? Suitcases jam-packed in the back. We got this nice silver, I don't know, Hyundai Aloha license plate. It's beautiful. Wonderful day out here. Quite humid. We're in Hawaii. We're in Hawaii. We are taking a little pit stop. We're going to the ABC store. We're gonna look for some knickknacks. Taylor said that this is the place to go. They do have a lot of stuff here. Surfboard.
Sandals that I was thinking.
Look, do you see the resemblance? It looks like him. Oh, the artist herself. Oh, no. Cute.
I think it's cute.
I think it's so cute. It looks so good on you. I love it. I think you should get it.
Even though you've gone away, my heart has gone with you.
We made it. We're here at our friend's house in Kauai, and I'm so excited to be here with Tay. Tomorrow it's gonna be really sunny, and we're gonna go to the beach, and we're gonna take you guys along with us. Thanks for watching day 1, and I'm probably gonna combine this with day 2. So see you tomorrow. Bye. T1 here. So we got our little chicken friends. We heard you guys early this morning.
Yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with a splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down.
Welcome to Taylor and I's Oasis. Here we have our beach towels, our pineapples, water, and my 2 mosquito bites. She has no bites.
No bites.
Bite count is up to 2 for me. We're gonna see how many I get. All right, let's go to the beach.
I tell you, everybody's standing in line for the water slide. You can come on over. We can take the roller coaster. And you
Doug found his little spot. We got a nice little view. This is like our little mini island, but not an island. It's so pretty. Here with T1 here, putting on some sunscreen, protecting yourself. We're on the beach, it's beautiful. Staring at me like I'm crazy. He's on his little he made a DIY chair. Typical Doug. We're gonna tan, even though I'm probably gonna burn. It happens. Tanning is going well. We're getting sticky out here with our Maui babe and sunscreen.
And sweat.
And sweat. Lots of that. Okay, back to work. It may be raining.
It's raining. It's definitely raining.
The good news is the dogs are coming after us and they're really, really cute. And we're reading our medical books because we're nerdy medical freaks.
Share it with you. Hey baby, if you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over, we can take the roller coaster.
Currently headed to a juice place. We're gonna get something to drink. We're starving. It's depressing. What? My legs are so sick. Oh, I know. We got a little burnt. 3:43 right now. We're gonna go get some smoothies. Pineapple papaya and apple banana. That looks really good. Whoa, this has guava in it.
Straight out of the coconut.
Whoa.
It's getting kind of crazy up in here. Got the DJ playing music, everybody wants to hear.
Probably one of the best smoothies I've ever had.
It's so good.
Can I try yours?
Yeah.
Oh wow, it's very good too.
Had a salad for dinner, so naturally.
I honestly do not remember the last time I vlogged because I forgot the vlog camera in the car.
So red.
We look really red on this because the room is really red, but actually we are really sunburned. Oh, he snorted on camera. We're watching everyone's Snapchat stories, which is really entertaining. I'm gonna end the vlog here because I need to edit this video and I'm only gonna do 2 days combined. I don't even know how much footage I have, but if you're watching this, please leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you guys did today and go follow Taylor on Instagram. Ah! Yes. Yeah. Oh my god. If you're watching this, comment down below, pineapple props, and then like the laughing emoji, and I'll reply back to you and I'll laugh. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow on another Hawaii adventure. Bye.
Bye.